Welcome to the Box Basic Training video series. In this session, you'll learn how to install and use the Box Sync tool. With Sync, you'll be able to mirror data stored on Box to your desktop, increasing your productivity and ensuring access even while you're offline. So, how does it work? Box Sync allows me to access my most important Box files even when I'm offline by creating a direct link between my Box account online and my desktop. Let's download Sync. I can do so right here. Once I download the tool, I will have a Box Sync icon on my desktop. This is a direct link between my Box account online and will mirror all file activities. Any files or folders I drag here will be uploaded to my Box account. This means I do not need to manually upload new versions to my Box account. Next, I can decide which files or folders in Box that I want to sync to my desktop. You can choose where Sync fits best depending on your workflow. I'm going on a business trip next week, and I know that I won't have internet access on the plane and my customer's Wi-Fi is consistently unreliable when I'm on site. I'll prepare for this trip using Sync. First, I'll sync the main folder for the project we're discussing. Next, I'll sync the client's folder so that I can have all of their historical information on hand. Notice, it's a subfolder. And last, I'll sync this spreadsheet that my colleagues and I use to update our progress, so I'm always connected. Now, when I make changes to these documents, any changes will route back to the Box home base as soon as I have an internet connection. I'll know that they're synced when I see a blue ball icon next to the folders here and a blue check mark next to the folders here. If you ever see an orange icon, it means that sync has not yet completed. Some files are not eligible for syncing, but don't worry. If that ever happens, Box Sync will notify you with an appropriate error message. I want to share our project plan with a customer, and I can generate a shared link directly from my offline space by right-clicking, choosing the Box Sync options, and choosing Share Box Link. I could also go directly to Box to view it by choosing this option here. When deciding which files to sync, ask yourself the following questions. Number 1, is this a file that I need to access offline? Number 2, do I work on this file frequently? And number 3, do I have editor or co-owner access? If the answer is yes, this is a great file to sync. To get more information about Box Sync, visit our support portal. You can also check out other plugins to help you integrate your Box account with offline work in the Apps tab. Happy collaborating!